Hi everyone. This video is course number 3. So actually this is the first class to make the breakout game. So we are gonna draw the ball in this video using the processing language. So here you have to know something in advance. You have to know what is the IDE means. So how to save your source code and how to load your source code and how to run it. And especially you have to know the coordinate system. So where's X, where's Y, So and you have to know some functions to draw something. So that's all in this video. So okay guys, come to this main official site processing.org. So you can see some links here, right? And maybe you can learn by yourself with this tutorial or examples. So if you click the tutorials, you can see video tutorials and text tutorial too. I really recommend you guys watch this video. He's really fun. He's really clever. So it's really fun to learn the processing language with this video too. Also, I'm going to use these text tutorials to explain something. So if you click this first link, getting started, it has some explanation. You can read all these text lines, but it's not comfortable, right? So that's why we record the videos. So last videos, you have downloaded the processing environment, right? So let's go into this folder. So you can see that processing.exe. That's the one program that you want, that you need. So let's run this code. You can see this screen. So this is processing IDE, which means integrated development environment. So you can code here, you can run, you can do everything with this program. So if you want to draw something, you have to know how to draw things. So if you want to draw the circle, you have to use ellipse function. I'm going to tell you what the function means anyway. So this ellipse function will draw something, right? So you have to give 4 numbers. Let's give him a small numbers. So if you see some kind of red underline, that means the errors. So which says missing right parenthesis, right? So you have to keep watching the red underlines to detect the bug. So you have to put the semicolon at the end of the statement. So if you finish to code, you can run with this button. So if you click this button, you can see this screen. This screen is called canvas, which means you can draw something on this canvas, right? At default, the canvas size is too small, right? So if you make it bigger, you can put another function, size function, which means the size of the canvas. So let's make it bigger, 500, 500. And run it once again. So if you run this code, so this is new canvas, right? So maybe this 500 is the size of this direction or this direction, right? So you have to know what this number means at first. If you want to learn something, you need to go processing.org and you need to find something, documentation, and clicking reference here. There are all information here, but as a summary, you can come here. This is coordinate system in processing, right? In mathematics class, the origin of the two-dimensional space, the left down is original. So this here is 0.0, right? But in computer, usually it's different. So in computers, left top corner is the origin. So in this direction is X direction, in this direction is Y direction. So this is X, this is Y. The left top is the origin. Keep in mind, left top is origin, not the center. Left top is the origin. So let's look at this code once again. So the size function will make the canvas size, right? So The first one number is X. The second number is Y. How do you know that? So you have to go reference, right? So come to the processing.org and documentation and reference. Here you can type in something and you can find some links here, right? So if you click this link, you can know what the size function means. Okay, it's long, but anyway, simply the first one is X direction. The second number is Y direction. So X direction is 500 pixel, Y direction is 500 pixel too. To draw ellipse, you have to give 4 numbers. Let's go to reference once again and type in ellipse. So there is one function called here, right? Just click it. So to use the ellipse function, you have to give 4 numbers, A, B, C, D. So the first one is X coordinate of the ellipse, which means the center of the X coordinate. The second number is Y coordinate of the ellipse center. Actually, this is center. And C and D, third and fourth parameter is the width and height of the ellipse. Let's keep in mind. So the 50-50 is here, right? And 30 is diameter of X direction and diameter of Y direction too. Then let's draw one more ellipse. Where do you want to draw that thing? The 400, 50, 100, 100. Let's make it bigger. So and run it. So if you run this code, this is the second ellipse, right? So as you guess, 400 is here, right? Here. Oh, I'm sorry. So 400 is here, right? And 50 is here. So 450 is here, right? So first two number is the center of the ellipse. And 100 is diameter of X, diameter of Y. Let's make one more thing. Where do you want to draw? 300, 300, 200, 400. Let's make it bigger. And we'll run it. So this is the ellipse, right? 300, 300, X diameter is 200, Y diameter is 400, right? So this is simple, but anyway, we can draw the ball, right? That's our goal for the first mission. So if you finish to code, you have to save that file. So if you find the file menu and click the save menu here, right? Then keep in mind you have to remember the folder which you wanna save the file. Actually, I wanna save the file here and here, and you have to change the file name too. I'm gonna save my program lecture 01 draw ball. Okay, draw ball. Anyway, and if you press the save button, you can see there is a folder, right? And inside the folder, there's one PDE file. The extension is PDE, which means Processing Development Environment, right? So if you double click this file, you can see it is running on your processing environment here. Yeah, this is it. Okay, so today you can draw the ball and you can make the canvas bigger, and you can save the file and load the file too, and you can run this code too, right? In the next class, we are gonna give some colors to the ball, okay? And we are gonna draw a little more different shape, kind of rectangle, triangle, lines too. See you next time. Bye.